In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Language and Input in Personal section. Following that, tap on Google Keyboard and select Theme under Languages. Now to apply one of those, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and simply go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you prefer to customize it, you need to tap on My Image at the top, select Allow, and click on one of those apps, in my case Gallery. Then decide if you wish to use it just once or always when applying new keyboard. Now tap on any photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders. And go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!